Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to make account in Google Pay. So first, go to Play Store and Google Pay, install it and open it. Then, select your country. Next, click Continue. And then, type your number. And then, next, click on Continue. Type your code. Now, just set a few privacy preferences. At the bottom, click Next. At the bottom again, click Yes, Personalize. Then, set up screen lock. Click it. And that's it. You did it. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.